Hello everyone, my name is Mungul. I'm 11 years old. Today I want to talk about how great leader can unite others. When leader unite people, we can achieve great things together. And today I have 4 points to tell you. Let me begin with the first point. Inspiration. Great leader inspire others by sharing their dream and vision. They show us what is possible and motivate us to work together. Hello everyone. Yes, so today I want to tell you about my dream. In my dream, I want to be an engineer. What about you? What do you want to be?
Leader, may I try?
Yes, you may.
I want to be a policeman.
Yes, God. Second point, communication. Good leaders listen to everyone's idea. They make sure that everyone feels included and valued. Hello everyone.
Hello, leader.
Today we going to build a brick blocks. Can you join me?
Yes.
Let's start now.
Leader, may I put this one?
Yes, you may.
Leader, may I put this one?
Third point, teamwork. Good leader encourage teamwork. When we work together, we can solve problems and help each other. Are you ready, everyone?
Yes, leader.
Habit 6. And the fourth point is setting an example. Leader lead by example. They show us how to be kind and helpful. When we see them working hard and supporting others, we want to do the same. Show you the example. In conclusion, good leader unite others through inspiration, communication, teamwork, and by setting a good example. Let's all try to be a great leader in our own way and work together for a better world. Thank you for listening. I hope you like our video. Goodbye.